Hello everyone, this is Danan sir and welcome to my online class. I am present with a new chapter of environmental studies, the chapter number 12, and the title of this chapter is Seasons. This is the first video of this chapter. So through this video, first we will do reading practice. So let's start reading practice. As starting point, match this correctly. You can see that in your book page number 69 some pictures are there and all of you will match these pictures of two row correctly. Now come to the topic, learning ladder. In this chapter we will learn about WEATHER, weather, and SEASONS, seasons, and we will learn about different seasons. Weather and seasons. A day can be sunny, windy, raining, stormy, pleasant, pleasant, or cold. The condition of a day is called WEATHER, weather. In page number 70, the WEATHER, weather of a place may change from day to day. When we have the same weather conditions for a longer period of time, it is called a season. A year has different seasons. SUMMER, summer. MONSOON, monsoon. AUTUMN, autumn. WINTER, winter. SPRING, spring. Different seasons. First, spring season. The spring season is a short season which comes before the summer season. The weather is pleasant, pleasant, DURING, during this season. MANY, many, BRIGHT, bright, and COLOURFUL, colorful, FLOWERS, flowers, GROW, grow, DURING, during this season. The tree, GROW, grow, new, LEAVES, leaves, and plants grow, new, SHOOTS, shoots. Shoots means stem. We celebrate, 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 HOLI, holy, during this season. After spring season come to summer season. The summer season comes after spring. The days are hot and sunny. In summer season, we wear light cotton clothes clothes during this season. Now come to the page number 71. We use fans and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. We use fans and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. We love to eat mangoes, watermelon, and ice cream during summer season. After summer season, come to rainy season. The rainy season is also called the monsoon season. Monsoon season. It rains very often. T is silent. It rains very often during this rainy season. We use umbrellas, raincoats, and gumboots. Gumboots on rainy days. EVERYTHING things, everything. LOOKS looks, FRESH fresh and green. As the rain, WASHES washes, AWAY away all the dust and dust and dirt. After rainy season comes to autumn season. autumn season. The autumn season is a short season that comes after monsoon. The trees shed, THEI are there, LEAVES leaves during this season. The weather is NEITHER, neither too hot nor too cold. Sometimes we can pronounce neither, NEITHER, neither too hot nor too cold. DIWALI, Diwali is CELEBRATED, celebrated during this season. Now come to the page number 72. After autumn season comes to winter. The winter season comes after autumn. Cold winds blow, blow. Cold winds blow during this season. It also snow in some places. It also snow means snows in some places. We wear WOOLLEN woolen cloths to keep OURSELVES ourselves warm. We celebrate Christmas, Christmas, during, during this winter season. And in this chapter, word which we have learnt, pleasant, pleasant. Pleasant means nice, and enjoyable, enjoyable. And the second word is shed. Shed means drop. So students, this is the reading practice. Okay, first all of you will read this chapter also to understand this chapter properly. Thank you.